Hey everyone, my name is Stephen Alongi and I am the Operations Manager at Arborjet Ecologel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hydraulic trigger valve on your QUIK-jet AIR. So typically you'll want to make this replacement if you're getting an air leak through your trigger. Tools you'll need for this repair are a small pair of pliers, 2 O-ring picks, the QUIK-jet AIR trigger valve and snap ring kit, which includes both your trigger valve and your snap ring, a small packet of grease, and a Phillips head screwdriver. And to begin, we'll start by removing the 2 set screws holding in the trigger slider and the trigger plate. Once the screws are removed, you can remove the trigger slider and the trigger plate. If you do have any trouble removing the trigger slider, there's a small hole on the side, and you can use your O-ring pick to grip and lift it out of place. Next, you'll use your 2 O-ring picks to remove the snap ring that's currently holding the old trigger valve in place. To do this, you'll insert the O-ring picks into the 2 small holes on the snap ring, push together, and lift. Once the snap ring is lifted out, you can use the pliers to remove the old trigger valve. Next, we'll take our new snap ring and trigger valve, and beginning with the trigger valve, we will apply a small bit of grease to the 2 O-rings, just so they can slide into place easier. And you want to push that trigger valve in and make sure that it seats all the way in its housing. And then we will take our snap ring, and in the same fashion that we removed it, again, you'll want to insert the O-ring picks into the 2 small holes, push together, and then you just want to make sure that that snap ring lays flat down against the trigger valve, making sure it's flat on all sides. Then you can reapply your trigger slider and your trigger plate and the 2 set screws. And that is how you replace the trigger valve and snap ring on your QUIK-jet AIR device. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions on rebuilding your Arborjet equipment, please reach out to us at info@arborjet.com.